everyone! So for today's video, we are gonna do our fake nails!
So Mama's not so pretty, but we're gonna try it together.
Yes!
Where'd you get your nails?
My friend gave it to me.
But mine is from DV Mart and it's just 29 pesos.
Yeah.
But we had our glue from Shopee. 18 pesos lang. But it smells like super glue.
Isn't an actual crime.
You do it now? I have a KK bonding now with my daughter. Oh my god.
Oh my god, I want
Just any problem,
this.
But that's mine.
That's pretty much it around here.
Let's do it now. I hope it will be removed when we sleep.
Guys, my mama gave this to me because she has two packs. I mean, she has two.
Okay, let's show them now.
Okay,
I didn't know.
Okay, who's gonna do first?
me.
Okay.
Names are like you often resemble their owners. I don't forget.
Okay, you first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Naka-video pala, hindi ko nalaman.
Okay, give me your finger. Let's try this if it's super sturdy.
Because, guys, I tried it like kahapon and then when I wake up, the other small is gone.
Did you see the other one?
Yeah, it's under my pillow or something.
I don't know. Routine wellness check and then this like boom.
I am
Someone finds a body.
nails.
Cavalry don't appear right away.
I'm so
Here.
kikai. Yeah, no, kikai.
You should know what
No,
comes
not
from
at all.
next.
Yeah, there's zero connection with the man.
Oh, the next one
I think it's
is
the blue
yeah,
one.
the blue one.
Well, he's probably around here quite a bit considering it's his section. I bet he'd even been inside this fucking house 3 times.
Parating ding 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 ding. See, daddy dee do.
Find a pity Anderson and Archie Allen had a little bit of and that journalist was off by a little bit, but not by much.
Why is it not coming out?
Daddy got scared
Why do you like nails?
because I like nails. Mama,
Anderson was top of his class.
mission coming up.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah. I think she said.
Go.
Grabe, nakakatuwa, no, na I can now do girly bondings with my daughter. Next time, I want sa salon na talaga kami. Tapos kasama yung mga hair treatments. O diba, ang saya talaga ng my baby girl. And I'm thankful to God that He gave me one. Kami kaya niyo saya. Ano kaya magiging bonding naming dalawa, no? Basta ang malaga, susulitin ang mga moment kasi minsan lang to. Pero lagot ako kasi natapon yung super glue. Yari talaga ako. As in, yari talaga ako. And my nails are not so good. Feeling ko hindi ko matatagalan to. Kasi lagi naman ako naglalabi. Hindi matatanggal
We
din.
are done.
My hands are not so nice. It's because Mama makes laba always.
Pretty.
Is it pretty? Thank you, Nok. You like your nails? But your hands are so nice. But one day I'll teach you how to laba. Para Mama's hands will be ganda na.
Yeah.
And this is our mother-daughter
Nails.
nail bonding.
Yeah.
Next time we go to the salon together.
Yeah.
And then we have a head spa together. Dapat nakaganto yung nails ko. Actually, my hands also has sugat because I have skin asthma. I should not be making laba or hugas. But I can't. I'm a mother. I'm a wife. So I had to deal with this. But at least I tried. Now I have to practice how to use my hands with these long nails.
Yeah.
Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Dapat ganito lang, not the stretch mark. Kasi may kulubot yung hands ni Mama. Pero ang sarap ipangamot, guys.
Yeah.
I'm so happy. It's so fun.
Bye.